This is our last night. 4 a.m. Say bye.
아무 생각 마요. 아무 걱정 마요. 이 노래를 듣고 있을 때 곁에 있어 거울처럼 익숙해진 모습에 괜한 투정도 괜찮아요.
First time! Where are we?
Manila.
Oh yeah.
Don't get it twisted with vanilla. Yippee! We are. I'm melting. We're in a car. No more AC.
Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply ain't no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home.
It's 6 p.m.
I walk the streets of San Francisco. I've tried the rides in Disneyland. Dated a million girls in Sydney. Somehow I feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan. Mga babae mong nagkagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. And promise me you'll never let go. Promise me you'll never let go. Manila, Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply ain't no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home.
We're in Mall of Asia. Because we Asian. We don't know where we're going.
I became the foreigner.
We are the foreigners.
We are the foreigner.
Kumusta ka? Nabayag laidin ayat ko nga ditan nagkita.
Kill this.
Malagip mo pa'y kadidi puso ngain ka inulila. Amwen saldato'y biyag ani ka anuman di ka insukat. Ni ka anuman di ka lilipat tain ngayat ka awan kumatpat. Nabayag laidin ayat ko nga ditan nagkita.
Where are we going?
We're going to a buffet. Kumusta ka? Malagip mo pa'y kadidi puso ngain ka.
Oh, wow.
Inulila. Amwen saldato'y biyag ani ka anuman di ka insukat. Ni ka anuman di ka lilipat tain nayat ka awan kumatpat.
We're gonna eat it.
Kumusta ka? Ayat ko.
We are inside. We're inside meeting our relatives. We don't know any of them. I know 2 of them.
Who's that?
It's the vlog.
Mom. Who's that?
Oh, it's cool. Pero yung
Say hi to the family.
No, this one too. Alice is moving there.
You have the best seat.
Look, it's kind of get lucky. It's been...
Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka. Sa tabi ko o aking iliw, di ba din ako makapal?
Yes, testicles.
Ang dati kong pangarap,
I didn't know I had to
na
I would
ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang
Say hi, Rose. Hi, Nana.
para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sabat.
Nanay. Ano to nanay? Hoy mga lalaki, magsalita nun kayo dyan.
Hello!
Alam, meron ako doon sa box sa Manila. Ito, yung kabibigay ng kadarating na. Alam mo, pagdali.
Say something, is a video.
Look at the sky, how the stars have come out just for you. Why is it so hard to say the things I'm wanting to? I'm struck. I mean, the fact you're here with me is purely love.
Say hi to the
'Cause I've seen movies, I've watched cartoons. It's really just as simple as this. You take my hand while we watch the sunset. The classics always end with a kiss. Oh, the time stops, I look at you, illuminated by the moon, staring with eyes of blue. My heart is beating through the roof. Only one thing left to do. I've seen movies, I've watched cartoons, but we've got an alternate ending.
Ang kasiyahan ng tunay na pagmamahalan ay mararamdaman lalo na't kung sayaw mo.
I don't
Doon na lang sa bahay. Maghahati. Okay, okay. Tayo, sa bahay na lang.
Oh, bilis! Sige!
Picture mo kami.
Picture!
Tapos mo siya,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, pagka 100 kayo, tita.
bigay mo lang muna ka naman. Anak ni Wilfredo.
Tayo yung araw natin. Yung phone, nakalimutan yung asawa ko.
Hindi, yung cellphone mo kasi kausap sila.
Ayan na. Meron din sa phone. Nakalimutan ko. Bibigay ko na lang.
Ito pa. Teresita Jason.
Jason.
Ayong paaralin.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, ito na yung hinahantay ko.
Martes? Martes?
Picture na may sa family.
Yeah!
Oh, sa tikot ka na uli.
Yeah! What?
Luella.
I go get some chicken. Chicken out.
Wait, they fight! Chicken! Wow. I didn't know you did a cat fight.
Welcome to Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Philippines.
Philippines. We're going to go eat lunch. What day is it? Day 2. Day 2.
Day 2
Day
in the
2.
Philippines.
Day... Dalawa?
Dalawa.
She's talking.
Manoy tita.
Level mo.
Yeah.
Shining.
Oh no, I didn't.
Be in the spiral buffet.
Not under my nose.
Ew. Shit.
Oh, is that?
Crispy salmons. The double chin. Salmon in the sinigang. Round 1. Fight. I forgot to record. We're eating. We ate all of. She's on dessert already. I'm on cheese. I forgot. It looked so good. I started eating. You like balut to go? Balut to go.
Nais kong magpakalasing dahil wala ka na, nakatingin sa salamin.
at nag-iisa. Nakatanim pa rin ang gumamelang binalik mo sa'kin nang tayo'y maghiwalay. Ito'y katulad ng damdamin ko, kahit buhusan mo ng bir ayaw pamamatay. Giliw, wag mo sanang limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana maglaho.
Yes.
Mga anak at bahay nating pinaplano, lahat na.
We are heading up to bed now. Okay, say goodnight. Good night. Going to Ilocos. Bye, hotel. Ew.